Hi guys, here's the advisor, and did you know that you can earn Bitcoin by locking your Stacks tokens? For those of you that are new to Stacks, it's a L1 chain connected to Bitcoin chain thanks to the proof of transfer consensus mechanism. Proof of transfer is an extension of proof of burn mechanism and recycle the Bitcoin proof of work to secure Stacks transaction on the Bitcoin chain. But how this proof of transfer mechanism enable to earn BTC? Basically, the proof of transfer mechanism is well explained in this picture. Basically, Bitcoin miners commit BTC to win Stacks blocks and receive Stacks tokens rewards plus transaction fees, while the users that lock their Stacks token will receive the committed BTC by the miners. And the process of locking the Stacks tokens is called staking. Before going on, I must say that this is not financial advice and the purpose of this video is educational only. Now we will look at free non-custodial services that allows you to stack your Stacks token to earn BTC. It's important to know that your tokens get locked in cycles and each cycle lasts 2 weeks. So if you decide, for example, to stack for 5 cycles, you will lock your tokens for 10 weeks. And also your Stacks tokens don't leave your wallet, they're just locked. The first service we will look into is the Xverse pool. As you can see, the UI is simple and the user experience is really great. You just need to type the amount you want to lock, the number of cycles up to 6, and the Bitcoin address you want to receive the rewards. It's important to note that it doesn't currently support SegWit addresses starting with BC1, but and also you need to know that the minimum amount to participate is 100 stacks. I actually don't have 100 stacks, but you will only need to allow the contract, and once the transaction is confirmed, you confirm the delegation for another transaction, and everything will be done. Moreover, another important thing to know about Xverse is that they developed a mobile wallet to interact with the Stacks ecosystem. And it's available on App Store or Google Play. You just need to look for xverse.app for their website. And at the end, you will also find the access to the Xverse pool that we just talked about. The second staking service is Plan Better. You just need to visit planbetter.org, click on Stack Now, launch app, and you will see this page. You will need to click on Stack with Plan Better. To access the service, you need 200 stacks, which I don't have right now, but I will show you how the process works through this brief presentation. So the process is highly similar to the one of Xverse pool. In fact, Plan Better will start by asking you how many Stacks token you want to lock. You need to lock at least 200 Stacks tokens, as we said, to access the service. Then they will ask you if you want to go through manual staking, automatic staking. Highly suggest to go through the manual one because you can decide for how many cycles you want to lock your tokens, while in the automatic case, they will choose for you the amount of cycles. And if you choose the manual one, then you also need to decide for how many cycles you want to lock your tokens. You can choose between 2 and 12 cycles. And remember that each cycle lasts around 2 weeks. And finally, there is a summary page with the inputs that you have chosen. And once you click on Let's Do It, you will need to confirm the transaction. And once the transaction goes through, the staking will start. A couple more things to know about Plan Better is that you can see the unlocked balance and the balance that is locked in staking, the current cycle and when it's going to end, and when you can, let's say, enroll for the next one. Then once you receive your Bitcoin payouts, you can check the data and how much Bitcoin you have in your wallet. You can also download a tax report. And finally, if you want to withdraw your Bitcoin wallet, just click here and they will give you a guide on how to withdraw your Bitcoin from the Bitcoin address associated with your Stacks address. Finally, the last service is Boom Money, which only requires like 4 stacks to access your service, and will give you an NFT if you decide to use your service. And based on the amount that you stack, you can decide to get paid on stacks or Bitcoin. And you seem to access your service, just need to click on Get a Boombox. Unfortunately, I don't have 40 stacks in this wallet. So again, I'm gonna show you the process for a brief presentation. So basically, if you have more than 40 stacks in your wallet, this is what you're going to see. So we're gonna show you the NFT you're gonna receive if you use your service. We're gonna ask you how much stacks token you want to lock. Then we're gonna give you a brief description and information about your service. Then you need to click on Create this Boombox. And if I remember well, you need to do 2 transactions to start the staking process. Finally, thanks for watching this video. And if you're new to the ecosystem, make sure to watch my videos on what is Stacks and the other one on how to download the Euro Stacks wallet so you can interact with the ecosystem products and services. I also left multiple links in the description so you can access the services mentioned in the video, or look at my Twitter page where I publish threads on Stacks ecosystem. Just check my pinned tweet. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next video.